Welcome, car enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a common yet often misunderstood engine code, P0125. This code signals insufficient coolant temperature for closed-loop fuel control. But what does that really mean? Essentially, your engine isn't warming up enough for its computer to precisely manage fuel delivery. This impacts efficiency. Let's understand open-loop versus closed-loop fuel control. It's crucial for engine performance and emissions. In open-loop, the engine uses pre-programmed settings, like when you first start your car. It's less precise. Closed-loop uses sensors, like the oxygen sensor, to constantly adjust fuel for optimal combustion and emissions. Too cold, and the system can't enter closed-loop, leading to issues. So, what are the signs of P0125? You might also notice decreased fuel economy, as the engine runs richer to compensate for the cold. Other symptoms include a rough-running engine, poor performance, and increased emissions from the exhaust. Now, let's dive into the common causes of this frustrating P0125 code. Understanding these is key. A faulty thermostat is a prime suspect. Next, a defective coolant temperature sensor, or CTS, can send inaccurate readings to your car's computer. Wiring or connector issues are also common. Finally, though rare, a problematic powertrain control module, or PCM, could be at fault. An OBD2 scanner is your first tool for retrieving the P0125 code. Use the scanner to monitor live data, specifically coolant temperature readings, to see if they're accurate. Next, perform a visual inspection. Check coolant levels and its condition. Examine the CTS wiring and connectors for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Testing components is vital. You can test the thermostat by observing its opening and closing in hot water. For the coolant temperature sensor, use a multimeter to check its resistance at different temperatures. Once diagnosed, let's look at the repair solutions. First, thermostat replacement. Next, coolant temperature sensor replacement. This is usually a straightforward swap. Ensure you use the correct sensor for your vehicle and properly reconnect the wiring. For wiring repair, carefully mend any damaged wires or replace corroded connectors. This is crucial after any work on the cooling system. Proper coolant maintenance ensures optimal engine temperature and longevity. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding P0125. Regularly check your coolant levels and condition. Tackle it promptly to avoid further engine problems and costly repairs. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and keep your engine running smoothly.